1, 2, 3.
George, no.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
He just wants to sit with you. Let him sit with you.
Would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely
Meow, you're pretty. Oh, you're the prettiest girl.
They're eating the dogs, people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating...
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!